Where does the name for Mynydd Dir come from? So today I'm between Betws and Rhos and Llanfairtalhaearn in Conwy County, and this hill behind me is Mynydd Dir. Let's get into the name. Mynydd is a mountain, from Proto-Brythonic mynydd, from Proto-Celtic monios, compare the Cornish words mynydd and Breton menes, and Dir is the soft mutation of Tir, meaning land, from Proto-Brythonic Tir, from Proto-Celtic Tyros, from the Proto-Indo-European root ters, meaning dry, that is, dry land as opposed to a lake or sea. Directly, Mynydd Dir means mountainous country or uplands, but I don't think it makes sense to name an individual hill that. If we break it apart, as it's spelt, we get mountain, mynydd, and dir, tir, land, so land mountain. But what does it mean to be a land mountain? Well, it could be holding on to its original meaning of dry land, or perhaps it's referring to it being part of a parcel of land attached to the nearby Garthewin estate, which sits on its south slopes. The Garthewin estate is an important historical building, and one of the homes of the Wynn family, who were prominent landowners in North Wales for centuries. It's currently on sale at 4.5 million, so if anyone has any spare money and wants to secure the ancient history of the house, you can. Also, if anyone has access to the inside, I'd love to do a video on Garthewin estate. Drop me a message and we can organise it. So the name literally means, I think, land mountain. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.